Hello everyone, another cool video of hairstyles. Grab the hair from the left side and start braiding it. But you have to know that borrow the hair only from the top section, leaving the bottom one edgy and continue the braiding until the right one. Then have the remaining hair into a ponytail and twist it and have it curl into a bun manner and hide the tip underneath the bun we have. Then secure it there by having a lovely hairpin. Then have the braid go around the bun as well. Then have it secure another pin. Then you can decorate it with having your lovely hairpin between the ridges or one below the bun. It's back guys, go for the twister pan again, split the remaining hair into two sections, drop the left one into the right and braid the whole hair and bring it to the top on the opposite side and secure it there by having a hairpin, then drop a lovely hairpin you like. Go for the twister pan again, have a rubber attach the middle part and make a loop and drop the tail inside and make the tail entirely go into the first loop we create and braid the excessive hair at the bottom and make it to the top by folding it into half and secure it there by having a hairpin, then drop in your favorite hairpin of your choice. Take your lovely hairpin and have it attached from left to right and move the tail to the top and have it secure in the opposite direction. Comb the ponytail a bit and have it secure with the rubber band. Bend the tail downwards and make it even more downwards by having a hairpin. Get the twisted pan and have the remaining hair braided and roll it to the top and have it secured there with your favorite hairpin and move it inside. Hold your ponytail on top and have a very beautiful hair clip attached from bottom to top and secure the opposite direction. Comb the tail a little bit, then have a rubber band attached to the top middle part and have it even more downwards by having a hairpin. Make a twist and go for a ponytail with the remaining section of the hair rubber in the middle part, then stretch the middle part a little bit and have it move to the top and secure it there by having a hair clutcher. With the remaining part of the hair rubber and touch the bottom middle part, then bend it even more downwards by having a hairpin. Make the twister pan again with the remaining hair, have a ponytail and have another rubber and touch the bottom middle part, then have a loop created in the middle one and drop the tail inside and bend the tail even more downwards by having a rubber band and make it into the middle, then secure it there with a hairpin. Make a bunch and narrow to the last loop of the rubber and have a lump and make a gap with your hair by using your finger and drop the entire tail and also the lump into it. Close the gap by combing it and have a lovely hair clutcher attach it. Go for a ponytail, have another rubber band attach the bottom middle part, making the tail bend over and stretch the middle one and make it to the top and secure it there by having a lovely hair clutcher. Create a bunch but with the last loop of the rubber band, make a lump and have a gap created by using your finger and drop the entire lump into it. And behind your ponytail, have a lovely hair clip and comb your ponytail a little bit, have a rubber attach the bottom middle part and have it go even more downwards by having a hairpin. Have a big black hairpin attached in the bottom section of the ponytail and move the tail to the top and have a rubber attach the top middle part of the tail and bend the tail over and have it even more downwards by having a lovely hairpin. This time attach the black hairpin on the top and bring the tail back and have a rubber band attached to the bottom middle part and bend the tail over and make it inside and have it even more further by having a hairpin. Also this time you have to attach the hairpin on all the sides. Have your entire hair go into a loop of a bun maker and roll it to the top and bend it down forming a circle and bend the excess tips around. Hold your bunch on top, having a very large hair clutcher attached to the bottom part of it. With the remaining tail, have another rubber band attached and push it even more downwards into the bun by having a hairpin. Take a toothed hair clutcher and twist your entire hair on one of its tooth, making it as a bun and secure it from right to left and close the clutcher. Twist your super gorgeous hair on your index finger, making a hair roll and hide the tip inside it and have a hair clip attached from right to left and move it to the opposite direction, securing it in place. Twist your bunch and make it roll in a clockwise manner and have it secured underneath the bun and have a very large hair clutcher securing it. Thank you guys for watching this video.